see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi na kami and nandito na rin si Kuya. Say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Ayan, what's this for, Kuya?
Challenge.
A what?
Reading challenge.
Oh, reading. Meron siyang awards for reading challenge. Well done, Kuya. And tawag nun?
Mom, can I have 3 books?
Yes, Baba. And we're gonna do a haul, okay, Kuya?
What is that?
We're gonna hold the grocery, okay? You help Mommy, okay?
Now I'm gonna help you do cleaning.
Cleaning, oh, di ba? Okay, dapat Monday pa ako mag-grocery. Kaso, di ba, na mess up na yung grocery ko. Kasi, I think nag-grocery din ako nung Wednesday, last week. So, ngayon, ngayon? What's today, Kuya? Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, Friday. So, ayan na si Kuya. Tulungan niya ako. Yan, kain muna ako bago ako mag-haul kasi gutom na ako. Ito yung tira ko nung isang araw. Prinito ko ulit yung ayan, sunog na siya kasi gusto ko crunchy. Yung, ang tawag nun, ukoy. So, ayan. And manunod ako ng aking Korean drama. Kinain ni Kuya yung what did you eat?
Doritos.
Kinain niya na yung Doritos. Come on, Baba. Are you gonna help, Mommy?
Yeah.
Ayaw ni Holly mag-help. No. Pagod si Holly. Kagigising lang din kasi niya. So, unahin ko na dito. Dito sa itong bag na to. Ito yung merong yan, kumuha ko ng banana muffin bars. Maganda to kasi nasa individual plastic siya. So, hindi siya agad-agad masisira. And meron na, pag bumili ka, hindi ko alam kung magkano pwede mong spend na makakuha ka ng ganito. Yung Christmas edition ng Coles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May 10 kami. May 10 kaming ganito sa pag-grocery namin ngayon.
No.
Let me see what. Let's see. Oh, the same, Kuya.
No, they're different.
Okay.
They're all the different.
Buksan muna natin to. Yung mga lang naman.
Okay,
Yan.
look.
Parang pom-pom. So, pang Christmas. Dati kasi, ha? Halos pare-pareho lang naman, Kuya. Okay. It's all the same. Pavlova. May Pavlova. May to?
I don't know.
Yung, what's that? Where's the apple? So, wala. Hindi tulad, akala ko tulad ng dati, yung mayroon silang mga, parang mga groceries din. Oh, alis kayo dyan. Nandiyan na yung bida. So, excuse me. So, wash your head. Okay, can you... Oh, gingerbread. Meron gingerbread. Okay, come on. Okay, can you clean up this, please? Because Mommy's gonna do... Oh, put this in the bin, please.
Daddy.
That's it. It's not that exciting, Kuya. Hindi kasi siya yung tulad ng dati.
Gingerbread. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Put this one there, please. Okay. So, unahin ko muna dito sa bag na to. And, ito yung kinuha ni Jan na smiley frites. Smiley frites and asparagus. Bell pepper or capsicum ang tawag dito sa Australia. Yes, Baba. Oh, no, this is not Papa Baba. This is for your kitchen. That's not real.
It's not real.
That's not real. And ito yung banana prawns na ½ kilo. Ay, balik ko yan dito. And sour cream.
No, you had the bottom.
And thickened cream na maliit saka malaki kasi magluluto ako ng dinner ni Jan. Yung gusto niya yung
Mango.
no. Daddy wants may kasi siya may yung steak. Yes.
Where's some stuff above?
What's that?
Is what all this fun stuff?
I'm not sure, Kuya. Ito, may malaking thickened cream kasi gagawa ko ng creamy garlic prawns sauce para sa kanyang steak. And ito lang kinuha kong eggs kasi meron pa akong eggs. Oh, don't open, Baba. It's ayan. Oh, wait.
This is bronze
Kasi
medal.
bronze. Oh, well done, Kuya. Kasi may egg pa ako dyan. And eto, can you put this in the freezer, please? Eto, yung carrots and peas. Please put this in the freezer, Kuya. Thank you.
Oh, that's cold.
I know, it's cold. And sakto. Oh, sorry. Put this in the fridge for mommy, please. Thank you. And this one, please. And this one. Yeah, okay. Help mommy. And dito naman tayo sa... Baba, what are you doing? You stay here, Baba.
Oh, Mom, there's different on the fridge too.
Oh, yeah. Unahin ko na to kasi lalagay to ni Kuya sa freezer. Super duper. What you call this? Ayan, super duper. Super duper, Kuya. Ang tawag nila
Go
is
to the fridge.
super duper. No, we have to put this in the freezer. Para siyang ano
we
yung...
have one tonight.
Parang ice candy. Nakita nyo na yan na kinain ni Holly nung... Tonight. Yeah, nung naanghangan si Holly, yan ang binigay ko. And ito yung Doritos na kinain na ni Kuya. Yes. Yeah, this is yucky, Baba. It smells. Yucky. It's smelly. This is prawns. Kuya, put this in the fridge for mommy.
Doritos.
And yung iced coffee ni Jana, ice break, extra hot, extra, yeah, cold, tell them, extra shot, coffee. Whose coffee is that? 2, 3, 4. So, apat. Baba, stay here because they, look, they can see us.
Racist again.
See?
Mom, we did nothing. Mom, we had nothing for racist again.
And kumuha ako ng cheddar na shredded na siya.
Mom,
Coles brand. Yes, Kuya?
do you know we didn't get that racist?
Why?
Because there were
Yeah.
no decent Chelsea.
Wait.
Whoa.
Ewan kung tama yung pronunciation ko yan. Basta eto siya. And Kuya, put this in the fridge, please.
Yes, can I have some tonight?
Yes. And this
Oh,
one,
no, I'm super duper.
kumuha ko ng butter kasi, excuse me. Kunti na lang kasi yung butter niya. Gusto ko sana yung maliit kasi si Holly, kinuha yung malaki. Kuya, put this in the fridge for mommy, please. That's for daddy. So, that's for daddy. Thank you. Baba, sit down here. You do the apple. Where's the apple? And eto, kumuha ko ulit nito, yung up and go kasi eto.
Mommy.
It's mommy, yes. This is mommy. Drink, yes. You like this?
No.
No. So, eto yung may mix na siyang wheat bakes. Yung aking pag busy-busy, yan na lang ang ginagrab ko parang breakfast. And dito naman, Baba, alis ka na dyan. Ito yung, alam nyo na yan. Ito yung split sticks. And hindi ako ngayon po. Upo ka nga dito. I can't see. Oh, come on. Help mommy. Sorry. Come on. Come on, please.
Mom, where do I put
Oh, yeah, mommy. Okay.
Mom, where do I put the cheese?
Just put on the, yeah, there. So, ayan yung Kellogg's na LCMS na, sabi ko sa inyo, ano siya, yogurt na may parang rice bubbles. May rice bubbles. So, ayan. Walang energy ang bata natin ngayon. Please. Yeah, eto si Holly ang kumuha nito yung sa healthy section to. Yung potato sticks. Ang flavor niya is sour cream and chives. So, ayan. Dalawa yan. Nandun yung isa. And, paano naman yan, Holly? Eto yung watermelon. Ilagay ko ito. Yeah, yes. Watermelon. Ilagay natin yan dito kasi. And red capsicum or red bell pepper. Just put it there, Daddy said. So, ayan. I don't know. And, what's this? What's apple? I'll put the apple. Okay, ayan. Siya na yan. Trabaho niya yan. Yes. Yes. And akin na, ito din yung binili ni John kanina din. Yung helmet ni Kuya tsaka ni Zach. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Where are you going? Here. Come here.
Let me see if it fits on me.
Put that one. Oh, put your apple here. Okay, put the apple. Ayan. Siya maglalagay ng apple.
Oh, good.
Careful. And kumuha si Holing dalawang. Si John kumuha nito. Yung pinit niya. Dalawa lang. Apple tsaka banana.
Why apple?
Oh, I didn't get the red apple because we still have red apple here. Oh! Oh my God, the apples! Ayan. Kuya, can you pass that for mom, please?
What, these?
All of them, yes. And put this in the fridge, please. And ito yung isang flavor ng potato sticks, yung ano to, chicken flavor. Ayan, chicken flavor. And kumuha ko nito kasi matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi kumukuha nito yung Twisties. 20 pieces siya. Meron siyang Cheetos, burger rings, and what else? Chicken flavor na Twisties and ano pa ba? Cheetos na cheese and bacon balls. Ayan. Hindi kami masyado kumukuha. Hindi ako kumukuha masyado ng ganito. Minsan lang. Ha? No more apple, Baba. That's it. And this one. What's this? Yeah. Dito naman tayo sa sangga. Ito yung alam niyo na yan. Moo. Dalawang kinuha kong chocolate. Ayan. Dalawa. And then, meron din akong strawberry.
Mine is mine.
This is ours.
Kuya,
Kuya TJ. Ayan. Dalawa. And ito yung kinuha ni Jan na prawns. Ito, yung ano na siya, luto na yata ito eh. Peeled na eh. Ayan. Ready to cook na yan. Luto na yan actually. And kumuha ko ng dalawang minced na pork. Ayan. I think, 500 grams, 500 grams. So, dalawa niyan. Ibalik ko yan dito. And etong Scotch fillet steak. Ayan. Ito yung ulam ni Jan mamaya. Ito yung gagawan ko ng sauce na creamy garlic prawns. So, yan ang sauce niya. Yung mga bata may pinapakita sa akin. Ha? So, ito yung ano ni Sak. Show it, Sak. No, look. You still have this one now. Give it to Kuya TJ. Yan yung... Oh, you have to be careful with that.
I want to do it.
No, you can't. You have to remove that first. And Kuya, can you pass that for mommy, please?
So, this one?
Yeah, all of them, please. Careful ha, careful. And ayan yung berry na apple juice. Meron pa dyan, pero kasi nga hindi na ako mag-grocery sa Lunes, so kumuha na ako. Ito na berry na apple, carrot, pear, and ginger juice. Ayan. Dalawa. And yung sabon ni Jan na liquid palmolive. Ito ang gusto ni Jan na sabon. And kumuha ko ng condensed milk. Dalawang condensed milk. Oh, Baba, no, that one, Baba. Careful, be quiet. Ayan si Oli, naglalaro na siya. And eto yung chicken. Etong chicken, piprituin ko to. Masarap na itong ganito, pero mas masarap siya pag... Ayan, nagpalit lang ako ng memory card. Napuno yung memory card ko. So, kumuha si Jan ng... Eto, sa Coles to, yung... Parang sa hamburger. Ayan, bread roll. Bread roll din to. Siguro, ayan, basta yan. Meron siyang sesame seed. What happened, Baba? What happened? Ah, okay. Help mommy na. Okay, and it's heavy. And itong Doritos na nacho cheese. Yeah. And itong crumpets. Si Holly na crumpets. Si Holly ang kumuha nito. Crumpets. And itong blueberry muffins. And kumuha rin si Jan itong pythons na snake. What's this? Pythons. Yung snake. Ito, kinuha ito ni Jan. And si Sak, ito yung kinakain niya kanina. Yung chili lime soya. Tig-isa sila ni TJ. Kuya, can you move this, please? Kuya? Can you get that for mom, please? Another bag. At saka yung bigas.
You brought my favorite.
Yeah, I know. That's yours. You have one here for you. Here. This is yours. Saks got it for you. Thank you. And the napina. And the rice. And eto na yung isang bag. Kumuha ko yung Kleenex na, yung Kleenex na tissue kasi may mga sipon sila. Zach, give some for Holly, please. Okay, can you give her some, please? Okay, can she hold it? Okay, have Baba. No, this is Kuya Zach. Can you get her a little Ziploc, please? A little bag? Yeah, yeah, wait. Mommy get you some, okay? Gusto niya rin kasi, wait. Okay, wait, Zach, hurry up. Ako na, hurry up. Wait. Dali lang, ha? Okay na, that's enough. That's enough. What you gonna say to Kuya Zach? Thank you. Yeah. What you gonna say? Thank you, Kuya Zach. Upo ka dito, oh. Upo ka.
It's a bit spicy.
It's not cold yet, Kuya. Gusto na raw ni Kuya. Hindi pa siya malamig, eh. Ha? Okay, put it. Si Kuya linalagay niya na kasi gusto niya uminom. Here, Kuya. Put the chocolate one too. Here. Here,
There one chocolate.
Yeah, two chocolate and then two strawberries. Huh? This is not strawberry, this is chocolate. And dito na tayo sa isang
I want that
bag.
strawberry moon.
I already give you. That's it.
Hey, I thought this one too.
Yeah, just put one strawberries and one chocolate. Don't open that one yet. Just put one because it's not gonna fit in the fridge, Kuya, because we have some.
We have more.
Just put the chocolate, please. And ito yung Cocoa Pops. Yeah, Cocoa Pops. Di ba meron sila yung bars? Ito naman yung nilalagyan ng milk. And ito yung favorite ni Holly na cornflakes. Ayan. Holly, is this yours? Paborito niya to. Yes. Cornflakes. Say cornflakes. And si Holly, may gatas pa siya. Kumuha. Meron pa siya dyan. Di ba bumili ako ng isang araw yata o last week ng gatas. Ayan. Kumuha ang isa si Holly. Magagamit din naman kasi niya yan. So, ayan. And etong thins na sour cream and chives. Ayan. Etong Uncle Kobe's na Lisna na may dinidip sa cheese. And more. Dinadala to ni dyan sa work niya. Ito, oh. Yung lollies na mga snakes. Ayan. Ayan. And eto, yung cream cheese na spread.
Mom,
There
we
you go.
only fit one.
And can you get that for mommy, please?
Mom, we only fit one.
And bumili ako ng kanin. Bumili ako ng, yes, Kuya.
We can only fit one vegetable.
Yeah, that's it. No, that's enough. That's enough. And bumili ako ng rice kasi naubusan na kami ng rice. So, bumili ako ng jasmine rice apples, 5 kilo. And, Kuya, that one. Last one. I think last one. That one.
What was?
Nappy.
Oh, no.
Thank you. And that one, the oil. And bumili ako ng nappies ni Holly kasi yung nabili ko sa Big W nung isang araw is malaki sa kanya. Size 6, size 4 lang si Holly. And bumili ako ng sunflower oil. Ayan. And meron pa. Kuya, come here please. Sorry. Sorry, Kuya. Oh, wait, Baba. Wait. Ipakita ko lang yung binili natin sa Big W. That one, yeah. Can you? Oh, there's, yeah, that one. And i-haul ko na rin tong binili ko sa no, this is not yours, Baba. This is not yours. This is for Sophie. Bumili ako ng mga pangregalo. Ito, yung Mickey Mouse na pieces. This is not yours, Baba. Dapat hindi ko to i-hold dito. Nandito siya. And then yung... It's not yours. This is for Sophie. Hindi naman kayo. So, sa ibang mga bata. Sinasabi ko lang Sophie kasi kilala niya si Sophie. Ito yung phone na Mickey Mouse. Dalawa nito ang binili ko. Isa sa kanya. Pero ibabalot ko siya. And, wait. Duman din ako sa Priceline and kumuha ko nitong DKNY para sa sister-in-law ko. Dalawang binili ko. Ayan. Donna Karan, New York. Dalawa para sa sister-in-law. And, another Mickey Mouse phone. Wala, ang kalat na natin dito. And eto sa kanya to, ibabalot ko to. Ano ba?
it's Sophie.
Yung mga babies.
Mom.
Ayan, may baby. Ano siya, oh?
Mom, hey.
Ayan, yes.
Hey,
And eto yung Disney Junior na car. Ayan. And eto yung creation. Yung parang,
it's Sophie.
yeah, lip gloss na magkikreate ka. Yes.
It's Sophie.
Yeah, it's Sophie. And etong dinosaur. So, yan na yung
It's
ano natin.
Sophie.
Yes. And eto pa pala. Ano to?
It's Sophie.
Nail polish. Ayan.
It's
Yeah.
Sophie.
Yeah, it's Sophie. Okay, yun na yung haul natin. Magulo yung haul as usual. Oo. Okay, say see you na.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
So, please
Please
like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya. Good night. Magluluto pa ako ng dinner ni Jan. Alas 4 na. Okay, say see ya. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Smile.
Red.
Huh?
Red. Red.
What's that?
And my milk, this already just Abby.
This is your?
My milk.
That's
This daddy red.
Daddy. That's Daddy. Yes, that's Daddy. Say Lamington.
And
And, ayun niya pa.
this all this
Oh, Mommy, turn off now, okay? Isa pa. Smile. Isa pa. Pahabol. Ito yung pahabol. Ito yung nabili ko sa sa Bunnings. Ito yung mga herbs na. Ito yung coriander or cilantro. Ayan. Ito yung parsley. Sweet basil. Ayan. And ito yung sili. Yung sili na sabi dito is basket of fire. Sana talaga maanghang siya. Ito pwede siyang ihang. Ayan oh. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ihang. And ito yung tinapay na bili ko sa Baker's Delight. Ayan sila. And yung inumin ni Jan na orange mango na spark. So ito yung dinner namin tonight. Yung binili namin sa Coles kanina. Yung scotch fillet na steak. So yan. Ilalagay ko na siya sa oven. And nakaset lang siya ng Maxi Grill. Ayan. And 170. Celsius pala. And ilalagay ko na siya. So, ayan. Siguro mga ano lang, 10 minutes both side. Dinagdagan ko siya ng 5 minutes kasi medyo mapula pa. So, kasi si Jiang gusto niya well done. So, 15 minutes yung kabila din. Ito naman, another 15 minutes. Nagpapakulo na ako ng potato para sa mashed potato. And gagawa tayo ng sauce. Yan, luto na siya. I-check ko lang kasi si Jiang gusto niya well done. So, i-check ko lang siya. So, ayan, luto na siya. Well done talaga siya, oh. Ayan. So, yung sauce na lang ang kulang. Imamash ko na yung mashed potato. Naglagay na ako ng butter sa potato. And buti na lang si Holly, kinuha yung malaking butter kasi ayan, konti na lang pala to. So, ayan, maglalagay lang ako ng butter tsaka milk. And imamash ko na siya para maging siyang mashed potato. Ayan. So, ayan, sinutay ko lang yung, yung prawns sa butter, olive oil na may garlic, yung fresh. Tapos, naglagay din ako ng garlic powder and veggie top. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng nor cubes or chicken powder. So, ayan. And kailangan natin nito. So, ilalagay ko na ito yung next, yung thickened cream, and maglalagay din akong ayan, corn flour or ano ba yung tawag yung isa? Cornstarch. So, yun. Para mag-thicken yung sauce. So, maglalagay din tayo ng salt and pepper. So, ilalagay ko lang to. Ayan, ilalagay ko lang yan. Wait lang. Nailagay ko na yung cream at saka naglagay na rin ako ng salt and pepper. Pakukulong ko lang siyang konti and maglalagay na ako ng corn flour para mag-thicken yung sauce. So, mamaya na lang ulit. So, ayan na yung mashed potato and eto rin, naglalagay ako ng butter sa sa carrots and peas veggies, yung mixed vegetables. So, ayan. Eto yung creamy garlic prawns. So, ayan, luto na to, oh. Kasi, ayan, malapot na siya. Malapot. Ayan, nag-thicken na siya, oh. So, ganyan lang kadali magluto ng creamy garlic prawns. So, yan yung sauce doon sa steak ni Jan. And tapos na, eto si Sak gusto niya raw Filipino tomato sauce. Eto yung kay Kuya, may creamy garlic prawns na sauce. And eto yung kay Holly. And eto yung kay Jan. Ayan. Ang daming prawns kasi gustong-gusto niya yung prawns. So, ayan na yung dinner namin. Right. Thank you for my food. Ayan, naligo na sila. Pinaliguan na sila ni Jan. Ayan. How is it, Baba? Where's your babe?
It's better.
Ayaw niya yung, ng prawns tonight.
Garlic prawns is better.
That's garlic prawns.
I don't like them ones. I like the pizza ones.
Ito gusto niya sa pizza si Kuya. Ayan.
Mommy, I like food.
You like prawns?
Mom, is this steak?
Yes. Is it good, Baba? Masarap? Hmm?
No.
Where's your manners? Where's your manners? Please daw, Kuya. Humingi siya ng tubig.
That one is water and I always spill it.
What you gonna say, Kuya Sam?
I accidentally spilled the water
Where?
over there behind the chair.
Alright. Told you, careful. Did you say thank you? Yeah.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she
No,
did.
she did. I didn't hear.
Oh, it's Holly. He didn't hear you. What you gonna say, Kuya Sak? Baba, what you gonna say? Thank you, Kuya Sak. Oh, he can't hear you, Baba.
That matter. You know that?
Kuya Sak.
Hi. Listen up. Welcome. Mom.
Slow.
Good girl. Oo. Pangalawa niyang steak yan, oh. Sarap na sarap siya. Yes. Are you done? Okay.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.